Yo, investing family, how y'all doing? Back at it once again. It's your favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. So today what we're going to actually be talking about, I know some of y'all, be on them dating sites and y'all be swiping left and swiping right? But what if I were to tell you the same way that you swipe left and swipe right to, see if you can get an attractive woman or, a guy, or deny somebody who you think maybe is not attractive? It's the same way you can come into the foreign exchange market. You can actually swipe right for a trade idea that you like and actually swipe left for a trade idea that you just want to keep it pushing. So we're going to talk about more on that on today's video. See you guys on the next clip. Peace. Yo, investing family, how y'all doing? Back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. So before y'all go any further, make sure y'all go ahead and lightly tap that subscribe button, because I'm actually dropping videos every single week and I want you guys to be able to be the first to get notified. Last week I actually dropped about 5 to 6. Want to be able to continue doing something similar each and every single week. Now today, as you guys saw in the title, how many of you guys actually use dating apps, okay? How many guys are swiping left, swiping right? Well, what if I were to tell you there's actually an app that allows you to come to the foreign exchange market and treat the foreign exchange market similar to a Tinder, right? Swipe right for a trade that you like, swipe left for a trade that you dislike. So
really? Tell me about them.
So without any, further ado, I'm not going to waste any more time. What I'm about to actually go ahead and do, and I'm about to actually go ahead and dive directly into the app that we're actually going to be talking about today for the trade idea, which is actually going to be called SwipeTrades. So if you guys actually give me a second. All right, bet. So I'm actually about to go ahead and start screen recording, and I'm going to actually put this up on the screen. So just give me a little bit. All right, bet. Let me go ahead and go to the app. All right, cool. So this is going to be SwipeTrades, and I've already put it on the screen. And what I want to be able to start talking about is going to be, how to actually utilize this app. So the first thing you guys want to be able to focus on is if you look at the two buttons in the top corner, the right and the left-hand corner. The button in the top right-hand corner is going to give you the ability to refresh. So like if I were to start swiping away, I can actually hit that button in the top right-hand corner. It's going to automatically bring me back to the most recent trade idea. If I were to go hit a button in the top left-hand corner, which is the power button, it's actually going to log me out. And at that point, I would have to log back in. Okay, so if you need to update your password or things like that, that's what that would be used for. Now, let's talk about all the things at the bottom. We clearly see we're currently on the home button. The next thing I'm going to select is going to be the magnifying glass. If I select on the magnifying glass, you can actually see all of the most recent trade ideas. It's going to let me keep scrolling. So you can actually keep going. You can actually go back and research how many trades they've won and lost and kind of see, the accuracy. But I'm all the way back in April. So you guys can actually see how many trade ideas you would actually have access to. On top of that, we can actually see the most recent one that won was actually USD JPY. So the way it would look, when they give you an update, they're going to let you know the order type, the trade type, the name of the individual, and then it's going to tell you, if you scroll at the bottom, close UJ at plus 35 pips, okay? Now, if you want to be able to go a little further and actually see when it was called out, I can actually go down a little bit further to July the 12th. I'm going to select on that, and you guys can actually see all of the information before it hit take profit. So they're going to tell me the time frame. They're going to tell me the entry. They're going to tell me the stop loss. They're going to tell me the take profit. On top of that, if you guys actually look at the bottom, you can see data copied successfully. I can actually copy all the parameters, go to MetaTrader for the app, and actually paste all the information, which I think is really cool. Unfortunately, on the app right now, they do not have any videos, so you guys don't have to worry about any videos, which is why I'm making this video for you. And the message bubble, this is actually going to be all the frequently asked questions. So I highly advise, before you go any further on this app, definitely take your time and go ahead and dive into the frequently asked questions so you guys know exactly what to be able to expect. Finally, you guys want to make sure you select email and phone notifications so you guys are getting all the notifications directly to your smartphone and email. Another word of recommendation, you should create a separate email for these alerts, because it is going to end up being a lot, so you don't want it to spam your primary email. Now, going into how you actually interpret these trade ideas. If I swipe to the left, it's just going to keep denying the trades, okay? Now, if I swipe to the right, you guys can see it's actually going to pull up the info. So with this info, I can see that it was a buy by market under order type. I can see the trade type was a position, and I can see who it was by. Now, the next thing I see is it's a 5-minute entry price 1, stop loss, and take profit. Okay, so they're giving me all the info. Now you might be like, okay, how do I interpret this? Because they're not actually telling me how many pips I'm risking and how many pips I'm going for. I got you. Okay, so now what we're actually going to do is we're actually going to take it to trading view. All right, so if we actually go to trading view, what you guys are actually going to see is I already have GBP AUD pulled up. I'm actually going to go to the 5-minute time frame. All right, perfect. Let me adjust this real quick. All right, cool. So we got it on the 5-minute time frame. So they're saying the entry was 8529. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to trading view. I'm going to put a horizontal line here, and I'm actually going to make it yellow. That's usually the color I like. And I'm gonna go ahead and update it to the entry 8529. And what I'm actually gonna do for you guys right here is, if you guys actually look up, for anybody that's never used TradingView before, you're confused on how to use TradingView, actually go ahead and check out this video, how to use TradingView. I'm actually link at the top. I actually do a detailed video showing you guys exactly how to use TradingView. Definitely make sure y'all tap into that. Now, with that being said, okay, let me try this one more time. All right, so horizontal line, what is the entry? 8529, so we go put 8529. I'm actually typing entry. All right, cool. Where is it? Oh, it's all the way down here. I'm like, where is the entry? All right, cool. So we see that our entry is down here, right? Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do our stop loss, which is 8504. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna take another horizontal line. I'm gonna make this red. I'm gonna name it SL. Under coordinates, it's gonna be 8504. All right, cool. Perfect. Now, finally, I'm gonna put the take profit, which is 86135. 86135. 86135. The text, TP. The style, we're gonna make it green. Okay. And now you guys can clearly see, right, based off the info, I got the entry, which is 8529, stop loss 8504, take profit 86135. Okay. So now I'm gonna see how many pips I would have been risking. So what I would do is I would go select long position. I would put it on my chart. I would double tap it, and I'm gonna go to input so I can adjust everything. So remember, our entry was 8529, not 85296. So 8529, stop loss was 8504. All right. And then we know take profit was 86135. All right, perfect. So now what I want you guys to be able to really look at is, in this example, we'd actually be risking 25 pips to go for 85. Meaning we could be making 3 times back what we're risking. So if we're risking $10, we can make 30. If we're risking 30, we can make 90. If we're risking 90, we can make 270. Don't quote me on that math. So now you guys know, okay, I'm gonna show you an example. If you were to go use a lot size calculator like a My FX book, which I'm gonna eventually make a YouTube video for that, I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually go plug in this info. So I would actually go to calculators, right? I would go select the currency, which is going to be GBP AUD. All right, cool. So I'm going to go select GBP AUD. All right, bet. All right. Then I'm going to select the amount of money I'm risking. We could just leave $20. That's cool. Then you're going to select how many pips. So how many pips was it? It was 25 pips. All right. Now I'm going to hit calculate. And I know if I wanted to risk $20 on this trade, my lot size will be a 0.10. How do I know that? Whenever you're looking for the lot size, you're going to pay attention to standard lots, and whatever is under standard lots, you're going to go use that and plug that into a MetaTrader 4. So guys, with that being said, I really hope you guys were able to, come to this video, learn something, take advantage of it. Definitely make sure you guys, look out for the update. So whenever the take profit gets hit, definitely make sure you guys are tapped in, so they're gonna let you know, when to exit, when stop loss got hit, when to break even. And on top of that, you guys definitely want to be able to make sure that you go tap into the Go Live channel, because the Go Live channel is actually going to be something that you guys are going to be able to utilize. And now that I'm thinking about it, let me actually, because I already stopped the recording, so now that I think about it, let me actually go back and I'm going to plug in Go Live, because I want you guys to actually be able to utilize Go Live the proper way. Okay, so let me go ahead and put the screen recording back on. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back up on the screen. Now, make sure you guys go ahead and log in to Go Live. After you log in to Go Live, I'm gonna show you guys where to go, because some people don't know SwipeTrades actually has a channel. All right, so right here. So I'm gonna tap where it says SwipeTrades. There's literally only one educator, which makes it really easy for you. If you tap on him, you'll be able to see. He has recorded sessions. He also has some favorite sessions. He does not have any favorite sessions, so definitely make sure that you guys start tapping into his videos. He does have 4 recent recorded sessions you might want to go tap into, and he only goes live 1 day a week, so if you miss it, definitely go watch the recorded sessions. Now, with that being said, right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, before y'all do anything else, definitely make sure y'all go hit that subscribe button, because like I said, I'm gonna keep dropping videos every week, and I want y'all to be the first to be able to get the notification. Now, I want you guys to make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, official Tyree Samuels. Like, comment, share this video with everybody that you know could take advantage of this. And with that being said, I'm gonna tell you guys, like I always tell you guys, I'm gonna see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you, wouldn't want to be a peace.